Your question is which of the language is not included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution? Your options are A. English, B. Hindi, C. Sanskrit, or D. Urdu. Right answer is A. English. Your question is Koleho case is related to which schedule of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. 7th, B. 8th, C. 9th, or D. 10th. Right answer is C. 9th. Your question is to give constitutional protection, state land reforms laws have been included in the. Your options are A. 7th schedule, B. 9th schedule, C. 8th schedule, or D. 10th schedule. Right answer is B. 9th schedule. Your question is match the following. First, union list. Second, state list. Third, concurrent list. A. 97 entries. B. 47 entries. C. 66 entries. Answer is B. First A, second C, third B. Union list 97 entries, concurrent list 47 entries, state list 66 entries. Your question is under the Constitution of India, economic planning is a subject. Your options are A in the state list, B in the union list, C in the concurrent list, or D not specified in any list. Right answer is C in the concurrent list. The question is prevention of cruelty to animals is listed in which list of the Indian Constitution? Your options are A. Union list, B. State list, C. Concurrent list, D. Preamble, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Answer is C. Concurrent list. The question is which of the following is the subject of concurrent list? Your options are A. Police, B. Criminal matters, C. Radio and television, or D. Foreign affairs. Answer is B. Criminal matters. The question is which of the following entry is subject of concurrent list? Your options are A. Population control and family planning, B. Public health and sanitation, C. Per person tax, or D. Treasure travel. Answer is A. Population control and family planning. Question is which list and entry of 7th schedule of Indian Constitution is related to election of the legislature of the state? Your options are A. List 1 entry 72, B. List 2 entry 27, C. List 2 entry 37, or D. List 3 entry 32. Right answer is A. List 1 entry 72 and C. List 2 entry 37. Question is which of the following subject lies in the concurrent list? Your options are A. Agriculture, B. Education, C. Police, or D. Defense. Right answer is B. Education. Your question is education, which was initially a state subject, was transferred to the concurrent list by the. Your options are A. For 24th Amendment, B. 25th Amendment, C. 42nd Amendment, or D. 44th Amendment. The answer is C. 42nd Amendment. Question is which one of the given subjects is not correctly matched with their list subject? List A. Forest concurrent, B. Stock exchange concurrent, C. Post office saving bank union, or D. Public health state. Right answer is B. Stock exchange concurrent. Your question is which one of the following schedules of the Constitution of India contains provisions regarding anti-defection law? Your options are A. 2nd schedule, B. 5th schedule, C. 8th schedule, or D. 10th schedule. Right answer is D. 10th schedule. Your question is Constitution's 10th schedule relates to. Your options are A. National language of India, B. Administration of SCs and STs area, C. Judicial review, or D. Anti-defection law? Right answer is D. Anti-defection law. Your question is, which one of the following is not included in the Union list in the 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Your options are A. Banking, B. Insurance, C. Census, or D. Gas. Right answer is D. Gas. Your question is, which one of the following is not included in the Union list of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Defence, B. Foreign Affairs, C. Railways, or D. Agriculture. Right answer is D. Agriculture. Your question is, the preamble to the Constitution of India is, your options are A. A part of the Constitution but has no legal effect, B. Not a part of the Constitution and has no legal effect either, C. A part of the Constitution and has the same legal effect as any other part, or D. A part of the Constitution but has no legal effect independently of other parts. Right answer is D. A part of the Constitution but has no legal effect independently of other parts. Your question is, in which list of the Indian Constitution the Panchayati Raj subject is included? Your options are A. Union list, B. State list, C. Concurrent list, or D. Residuary list. Right answer is B. State list. Your question is, which one of the following subject is in list 3 concurrent list of the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Criminal procedure, B. Police, C. Prisons, or D. Public order. Right answer is A. Criminal procedure. Your question is, in which schedule of the Indian Constitution anti-defection law is placed? Your options are A. 6th schedule, B. 9th schedule, C. 10th schedule, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. 10th schedule.